Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to finally start using some of my pages for some collage pieces. I've done a ton of green ones and this is a bunch of brown ones, and I'm going to collage some little cactus. And what I'm going to do is I have some just blank cards and I'm going to cut out my shapes and then glue them right on. So I'm going to just start with my brown ones. I have a little piece of craft paper and what I'm going to do is collage onto this, so glue everything onto this and then cut out the shapes that I want. So it's going to be a mix of pages and I'm just going to do rough tears of my pages on and then glue them on. So everything is going to look a little different. I just grabbed a bunch of like browns and ones that had beige on them, and then some of my gold book pages. So I'm just going to use this as kind of like just a nice support for everything. I don't know what's going to be easier, if I just glued the pages together or put them on another layer of paper. So I'm going to try another layer of paper. I'm also just going to use some super glue so that it'll dry really quickly. But you could do all sorts of other glues. I do have my acid-free glue, but I want to just see how this will work. So this is just going to be a test one, and then I can just modify from there. So I'm just going to work on collaging these little pages together, and then we will move on to the greens and put together a few cards. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes and then I'm going to just trim out some terracotta pot shapes. So pretty much any shapes or styles that you want, but that turned out really well, and I think gluing it to my just extra piece of paper is going to make it easier for me to just cut out my designs and have some nice shapes that I want. So we will be back and then I will also start working on my green ones. Okay, so I just took a pen and traced out some shapes that I want to cut out on the back. So they're all going to look a little bit different, and I'm just going to take my scissors and trim. And, oh, that's really cute. Okay, so trim that one. So I like that. I love that I'm getting multiple pages all on one, and being able to cut out my shape for what I want made it a lot easier. So you could just collage them together on your card if you're doing a blank card, but I liked doing that on the cardboard first. So I'm just going to keep cutting these out, and then we're going to grab our greens and start working on the cactus. right, so these two are done. They look really cute. I love the just how many different pages I have that I can use for all my different collages. I think I might do something similar with the papers next time, like I did with the bottom parts, and just glue them together and then cut out my shapes. It might be a little bit easier to have one larger shape to glue down instead of all the small ones, but overall those turned out really, really nice. And so far I'm loving this gold leaf on here, so I know I'm going to be with other ideas that I have for collage, I will definitely be incorporating that more into this. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below. I have more collage ideas, and as I'm making all these papers, I will definitely be using them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.